Ms. Winston, if you could activate your camera for me, please.
Oh, let me take my head off. Okay.
All right, now typically I don't let you ride in the car because you'll lose reception halfway through this hearing. It's supposed to be pulled over to the side, but so if you lose reception, you're gonna be at the end of my waiting list, okay?
Okay, I just got off work.
I understand, but I'm just letting you know how it goes, okay? Just be understandable. Now following the matter of the people versus Tierra Winston. This is ticket number P1273081. This is one count drive while license suspended, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Winston. Ms. Winston, state your name for the record, please.
Tierra Winston.
Your Honor, based on valid documentation, will stipulate to probable cause and request a dismissal pursuant to prosecutor recommendation.
I am in receipt of the dismissal form for these matters. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice on today. Ma'am, make sure you always keep all your documentation up to date and valid, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay, ma'am?
You too.
You can sign on. What are we getting? Right?
Yeah.
So he calls back in. We can do that. Mr. Williams, you can activate your camera for me, please.
Hello?
Hello? You know how to
Yes, I'm
activate your
sorry.
camera?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
All right. You're not driving, are you? You cannot drive and be on. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. You gotta be on off and to the side, okay? All right. Okay. Somebody
I'm driving too.
else.
No, I'm not.
Camera.
That would
I
not
know
be nice.
Timothy Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Everybody in cars today. I'm telling you, I don't understand this. If I'm in court, I'm gonna find me someplace to be still because if I lose reception, I'm at the end of her waiting list. And she has a long list of people for today.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I had so many things to do today, and it just kind of
I
just
do
fell.
too. You know that, Mr.
Oh,
Williams?
we
I
all
do
do.
too. But you know what I have to do? When I have court, I have to sit still for a minute. How about that? Not even the whole day. You only have to come in at 1:30. So that means that you have from this morning until at least 1:15 to get everything done you need to get done today.
You have to
All
pull
right, let's go
over.
let you say.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
But you know what, on the policy, do you have a better policy? Because all this is some numbers and some, I don't know what this is. Do
Yeah.
you have a different documentation?
Well, the thing is I had to use that because my proof of insurance is in my car, which is in the shop, which I'm on my way to now.
Okay,
So this is one of the
so we're
things.
gonna hold tight for it, because I need to see that. I don't know what this is. This doesn't say anything. The
Yeah.
policy number, the policy doesn't even have like your car on there. At least if it had your car on there, I could check.
Yeah.
But this could be
Yeah,
a
that's-
receipt for anything, for your house.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay?
that was from a payment. I literally made a payment. It was supposed to be a payment for tomorrow, but they sent me that, and so I decided, well, until I can get the actual proof of insurance out of my car, I thought maybe that would, basically suffice for it.
No.
No, sir. Not when I'm gonna dismiss everything. I got to see it so I can know exactly what it is to make sure you ain't compliant. How far away you from the shop?
Maybe about 5-10 minutes, maybe at the most.
I'll put you back in the waiting room, and then hopefully by the time I do a few more people, you'll be ready to go, and you can just show me that last little piece so I can dismiss it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let's try somebody else. Mr. Wilkerson,
Yeah, yes,
call your matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Daniel Wilkerson. This is ticket number P1323586. Count 1, careless driving. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Wilkerson. Please state your name for the record, please, sir.
Daniel Marquand Wilkerson.
Your Honor, he's going to plead responsible on count 1 to 30 and a 25. Upon acceptance of that plea, the prosecution has agreed to dismiss counts 2 and 3. We'll stipulate to probable cause on those 2 matters.
All right. Is that right, Mr. Wilkerson? You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis for the plea of responsible that on the date of March the 5th of 2022 in the area of Hubble and Linden Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Wilkerson was driving a Kia vehicle and did speed doing 30 in a 25-mile-per-hour zone. Satisfied, Attorney Cameron?
Defense is satisfied, Judge. Thank you.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge, there is. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea on count 1 to the amended charge of 30 and a 25, which is that 5 over? That's 5 over. 5 over speed, and I'm going to dismiss counts 2 and 3 of this ticket. Sir, the fine for that is $125. That's right. Let me check if I said something the other day. It wasn't right. Yeah, as so that's not.
Oh, yeah, but
It's 5. All right, so your fine for that is $125, sir. Civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay them. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna have it due no later than June 20th, 2022, okay, sir?
Okay. Can I pay it at the kiosk?
Yes, you can. Don't do that again, though, okay?
I'm sorry.
The speeding that you did, no, yeah, going on the side of people and trying to grab around. Stop doing all that showboating in the car. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Thank you, Ms. Wilkerson.
Bye.
Bye. This person has a lot to take from a whole type for a second. All right, let me see if Mr. At least Robert made it to a safe place. I don't see him anymore. All right. You probably lost him. Oh, time back on, I got it. So much. Let's do that. I have one state ticket for Mr. Williams. Okay. The state ticket with Mr. Williams is consuming marijuana, operating a motorboat. They've been doing a delayed sentence on that. I don't know if you had the chance to talk to him about that though. Trayvon. I know you just saw the dismissal, but he has a state ticket too. Somebody's more difficult. She might be on the phone. She's up. You good, Attorney Cameron?
yeah,
Okay.
I'm sorry. Did you see me yapping?
I did. That's why I stopped talking because I knew you were.
Oh,
on the
I'm
phone.
sorry. Yeah.
Okay. You good.
You know,
I waited. I can be
it's
patient.
only an attorney I've been trying to get a hold of for like 3 or 4 days, so
You're fine.
thank
Ms.
you.
Woods? You can unmute yourself. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Tanisha Woods. This is ticket number 11-526-193. Count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, operated while vehicle not insured. Count 3, drove while license not valid. Ticket number 12-466-135. 1 count driving while license not valid. Ticket number PH96803. Count one, drove while licensed not valid or improper license. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count three, improper plate. And ticket number P 1268083. Count one, careless driving. Count two, drove while licensed not valid or improper license. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Tanisha Woods. Ms. Woods, state your name on the record, please.
Yes, my name is Tanisha Woods.
And Ms. Woods, I need you to activate your camera for me. It was on, I don't know what happened.
Okay, how do I do that, ma'am? All I see is safe driving mode. Okay, there we go.
There you go. Yes. Okay. All right. This is the date and time set for an arraignment on these matters. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, my client's going to enter a plea to count one on P 1268083, count one, to limited access speed 60 to 55, and also count three of that same ticket to improper plates. Then upon acceptance of that plea, there will be count two of that ticket will be dismissed, along with P 896809, 803, count one, and 11526,193, count two, will be dismissed. We'll stipulate the probable cause on the dismissal tickets.
Okay. And then there were some state counts as well on ticket number, let's see, P 896803, counts 2 and 3. I'll dismiss those as a part of the plea. And then ticket number 11526193. That's a 2011 ticket. So per the memorandum of understanding, I will dismiss that one as well. So you're looking out today, Ms. Woods. You have a lot of matters, but a lot of them are getting dismissed, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, if you want to take advantage of this offer today, though, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
If it was the lady I spoke with, yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's Attorney Cameron. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Could you repeat that question?
I sure can. Are you taking this guilty plea because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you have to have a jury trial or a bench trial? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ms. Woods, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of October the 25th of 2021. Were you at that time driving a Saab vehicle in the area of Fitzpatrick in West Chicago in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you drive going faster than normal, 60 and a 55 mile per hour zone?
I probably did, ma'am. I probably.
It's reckless driving, but did you go into a turn lane and then go around some people going kind of fast?
I did. I was trying to dodge a pothole.
Okay, I understand, but you can't do that. All right, also, was that vehicle not insured at the time you were driving it?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Cameron?
I'm satisfied, Judge. Thank you.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge, there is. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. So on count one of this ticket, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of limited access, 60 and a 55 mile per hour zone. Count three of this ticket, the court is going to amend to improper plate. Count two is to be dismissed along with ticket number 11526193. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number 124666135. Ticket number P 896803, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ma'am, the fine for the limited access is $125. That's a civil infraction, so it's due in 14 days. Are you gonna be able to pay that $125 in 14 days?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna have that due on 6/20/2022. On the other remaining ticket, it's gonna be a fine of $200. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
60 days, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna have that due no later than August 8th, 2022. So you need to have that 125 by June 20th. The other $200 needs to be in by August 8th, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Good luck to you, Ms. Woods, okay?
Thank you, and you have a wonderful evening.
You too, thank you so much, I appreciate that.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Westry?
Oh, yeah, Mr. Westry, yes. Yes, Your Honor. I'm
Okay,
here.
all right, I'm gonna call your matter now. Just want to make sure, you gotta be on, you gotta be ready to be on though.
Oh,
All
okay.
right? You gotta sit down for whatever you're doing, and you need to focus for this period of time, okay?
All right.
Oh, that's no.
Okay. You're gonna look at me and nod, whatever you're doing. Sorry. Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Wesley Williams. This is ticket number P10024773. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count two, open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. Also calling ticket number P1268497. Count one, defective or missing equipment. Also calling case number P1268475. Count one, drove while license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, first.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Davion Westry. Mr. Westry, state your name for the record, please.
Davion Westry. That was mine? Oh, Davion Westry.
Your Honor, as to the matters before the court, which there are numerous, he's going to plead guilty, responsible to P130865 counts 1 and 2 to amended charges of blockading a moving lane of traffic.
Okay.
The other matters that are before the court, which there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 matters, are going to be dismissed. We'll stipulate the probable cause on those matters.
I have him also pleading to the open intoxicants passenger. Is that one he's pleading to as well?
That is not one of the ones that was listed on my list.
Open intoxicate. What?
There.
Hold on, sir.
Okay, please, Mr. Westry.
No, this is, you've got the wrong defendant, Your Honor.
No, I'm like, what?
Hold on, sir.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
You know what? I'm so sorry. I do. I'm like, oh. Mr. Westry, fix your attitude real quick. I understand that wasn't you. I got it. I'm sorry. It's the court's error. You got a lot going on. Would you like to deal with the people that you're talking to in the room first and make all your comments and antics first?
No.
Okay, I'm just asking. That is the wrong person. Thank you, Attorney Cameron.
Thank you, Judge.
I'm gonna recall his matter. Oh, he has more to. All right. Now calling the matter of the person, people versus Devon Westry. This is ticket number P1308658. Counts 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Counts 2, expired plate. Count 3, no insurance, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1308745, 1 count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P1308661, 1 count tinted windows, front passenger driver windshield. Ticket number P1324759, count 1 tinted windows, front driver passenger. Also count 2 defective brake light, and ticket number P1324763, 1 count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, once more.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Davion Westry. Mr. Westry, state your name for the record.
Davion Westry.
Okay, all right.
Judge, just to reiterate, on P1308658, counts 1 and 2, my client's going to plead to an amended charge of blockading a moving lane of traffic explain to him that that's not only a civil infraction, but is a non-abstractable 0-point offense. The balance of the tickets, which there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tickets before the court, will be dismissed. We will stipulate to probable cause on all of those matters.
Is that how you want to move forward today, sir?
Oh, yes, Your Honor, yes.
All right. So reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of February the 1st of 2022, in the area of Evergreen and Vassar Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Westry was driving a Chevy vehicle and did block traffic.
So
Satisfied?
stipulated.
Thank you so much. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, there was 2 tickets that you're having him plead on 2 counts, right, Judge?
Correct. He's gonna plead
Yes,
on count
okay, thank
1
you,
and 2. Yep.
thank you. We'll stipulate that that's a adequate factual basis for both of those counts.
All right, thank you. All right, the remaining counts are to be dismissed. The remaining count on that ticket, as well as tickets number P1324763, P1324759, counts 1 and 2, ticket P1308661, and ticket P1308745. Sir, the fine for each one of those tickets is $175, so that's $350. Typically, you only have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you to come up with $350, sir?
I have to pay $350.
Yes. Each one of those civil infractions has a $175 fine.
Civil infractions. I don't understand what I'm paying for, but
Okay, well, you know, your other option is that you can ask for a bench or a jury trial. A bench trial for myself as the trier and finder of the facts. If you're disputing any of those claims, you can also ask for a jury trial. That's with 6 members of the city of Detroit. And you get, no, for civil infractions, it's just before a judge at a formal hearing. So you wouldn't necessarily get the jury trial rights for that. You have one, I think out of all these tickets, you have one, yep, only
So what-
one is a misdemeanor. So on the one ticket, that's a misdemeanor, you can have a jury trial. On the rest of them, you will have a formal hearing where I would hear the police officer's testimony and take that information and based off of that, be able to make a decision on whether or not you're guilty of those. So those are your options today, or you can pay the fine that is on the ticket.
with the tent and the tail light, that's what I'm paying for.
No, I dismissed those.
Oh. Oh, the registration. No registration. About to tell me in a minute.
No, you weren't paying attention at all.
No, yeah,
Oh, you want to show her? You showed her, she was all naked. You put it on YouTube Live for everybody to see too.
I'm not naked.
Yeah.
no, I was trying to show her.
Are you
Okay,
serious?
yeah, I just paid the $350.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
it's on
fine.
YouTube Live, man. This is a live courtroom. We're in actual live session, so I'm required by the state of Michigan to record all my sessions and put them on YouTube Live. So when he flashed it to you, I saw it.
Cause
and
she was
so did
leaning over,
everybody
like
else.
laughing at me.
I
Yeah, I
shook
just
my
This
head.
is not a game and this is not a conversation. You are in a court. Act like it.
Yeah.
yeah, I didn't think that.
My head down because we did this whole hearing. I asked you all these questions and you listened to everything. And then at the end, you didn't even know what you pled to. And I was very confused as to why you didn't know what you pled to. So I had to take a deep breath and put my head down for a moment to figure out. Because I told you to pay attention for. All right, Mr. Westry, I'm gonna put you back in the way. I'm gonna let you think about this for a minute because I have 4 other people.
That's
who
fine.
need to-
No, that's fine. I could just.
No, I can't do it right now. He laughing and giggling and I don't have the patience. This moment in my life. Let's see if Mr. Williams is ready. It's okay, Ms. Cameron, don't worry. We're gonna have it all together. You don't worry. I got patience.
I'm glad you do, because I don't.
Mr. Williams, Mr. Williams, do you have
Yes, ma'am.
everything?
Yep, I'm here now. I'm actually getting it right now as we speak.
Okay, fantastic.
Yep. So, yep, I'll be a few minutes and I'll have that for you.
You gotta
I'm
put your
sorry.
head up. I'm gonna just leave you on the screen. When you get it, let me know. I'm gonna call somebody else. I muted you, okay? Okay, all right. Get somebody else. Miss Williams?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna call your matter, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Wesley Williams. This is ticket number P 1268475. One count drove while license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, expired plate. Also calling ticket number P 1268497. One count defective or missing equipment. Ticket number P 1002473. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count two, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Williams. Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Wesley Williams.
Your Honor, at this,
Fix your camera for me, please. There you go. Thank you, ma'am. All right, go ahead, Attorney Cameron, sorry.
yes, Your Honor. At this time, Judge, we're asking the court to enter a not guilty plea. We'll waive the formal reading of the complaint and warrants. We're asking if these matters be set for a trial date.
Is that gonna be a bench trial or jury trial?
Bench trial.
All right,
She's mostly concerned about the open intoxicants.
I understand. Ms. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes.
You put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney, that's Ms. Cameron, in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. I will listen to all the evidence and then based on the law, make a decision. You understand that, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for a date. Write this down, October the 10th.
Okay.
Okay, yep, let me know. You get a piece of paper now, ma'am?
October 10th.
October the 10th, it's gonna be at 9 a.m. instead, but it is gonna be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, same Zoom number. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all of these matters, and I'll see you back that date for your trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay, ma'am?
You too, thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Torian Wilson?
Sure. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Call your matter.
Uh-oh.
Oh. I don't have the phone. Torian Wilson?
Yes.
Yeah, 1 second, ma'am.
Okay.
Have you spoken with the attorney yet or no?
Yes.
She did, I did speak with her briefly. I don't think there was an offer. She had a no insurance misdemeanor and 11 to 15 over.
Right, I didn't. Yeah, we didn't know, we didn't have it for, that's why.
Oh, okay.
For her,
Yeah,
okay, let me get you an offer.
yeah, let me make sure she has.
Okay, we're gonna make sure she doesn't have any more tickets. All right,
Okay,
Mr.
thank you.
Timothy Williams, you ready yet or no?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Mr. Williams?
Ready yet. Mr. Williams, do you have that? information for me yet? Unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Yep, yes, ma'am. I actually just sent it.
And we'll look and see if we have it.
Silverado 1500.
Wait for it. So I'll put you back on mute. Hold tight, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna move on. I have Trayvon Williams I can call, and then I'll wait for us to get the other stuff. Mr. Trayvon Williams? Trayvon, Mr. Williams, okay, can you activate your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Trayvon Williams. This is ticket number P1273361. One count consuming marijuana while operating motor vehicle, motorboat, or off-road vehicle. Also calling ticket number P1236383. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Timothy Williams.
That's Trayvon. Trayvon Williams?
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, state your name for the record.
Trayvon Williams.
All right. This is the date and time set. Go ahead, Attorney Cameron.
Your Honor, as to the state matter, my client would like to set that matter for a trial date. That is a narcotics drug violation.
Okay. And the other ticket was based on the plea to the state, so I'll set both of them for bench trials, okay? All right, Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Cameron today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And she's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts on these particular tickets. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of October the 10th. October the 10th is going to be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you're going to zoom in on October the 10th at 9 a.m. though, instead of at this time, okay? 9 a.m.
Okay.
I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. And I'll see you back on October the 10th, 9 a.m. via Zoom for your bench trial, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay, sir?
You too, ma'am.
I will, thank you. All right, we haven't got it yet, Mr. Timothy Williams. Mr. Robert Williams, sit up for me, please. All right, sir, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Williams. This is ticket number X3983705. Count 1, drove while license suspended, revoked or denied. Ticket number SP1070248. One count of stop street or intersection failed to stop. Ticket number SP1070248. One count, no proof of insurance. And ticket number SP107967071. One count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good afternoon. Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Robert Williams. Mr. Robert Williams, can you state your name for the record, please, sir?
Robert Martell Williams.
Your Honor, as to these matters before the court, my client's going to plead responsible to one count of blockading a moving lane of traffic. That's a 0-point offense. The other 2 tickets will be dismissed pursuant to probable cause, and we'll stipulate to probable cause in that matter.
All right, there's one state ticket. I'm going to include it in his plea and dismiss it if he takes this offer today.
Please, Judge, thank you. That would be pursuant to the memorandum of understanding.
Yes, it will. Thank you. Mr. Williams, you want to take advantage of this offer today?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis for the plea of responsible that on the date of April the 28th of 2020, Mr. Williams was driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Bond Street in Pembroke in the city of Detroit and failed to stop for a stop street or intersection blocking traffic. Satisfied?
Yes, Judge.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the accounts to be dismissed?
Yes, there is a stipulation of probable cause on the two city matters and the one state matter, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you very much. At this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge on ticket SP 1070248 to block aiding. The remaining tickets X 3983705 will be dismissed, as well as tickets number SP 1070248, count 1, and SP 107967071 will be dismissed as well. Sir, the fine for that is $175. You typically have 14 days to be able to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am. That's enough time.
All right, so it's going to be due no later than June 20th, okay? June 20th, 2022, you need to pay that fine, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, Mr. Williams. You have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I will. Thank you so much. Thank you for pulling over too. I know I had to put you over in the room, but we can't let you drive on YouTube, okay?
No problem. Thank you.
All right.
Good day, Mr. Williams.
Thank you.
Mr. Timothy Williams, are you able to just show me that proof?
No, he didn't use it.
Yeah, hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you just show me
Okay,
the proof?
yeah, I sent it twice. I'm not sure what's going on, but I have it right here in my hand.
Okay, some reason your camera's not active, but can you try and get
Yeah.
your camera to active so I can see it real quick?
Okay, let me see if I could.
All right, there we go. Just flip it over so I can see it. Just flip the camera over.
Okay. I don't know if you can see this. Are you able to see it? I'm not sure if you can see it. It's real small.
Let me change my view. All right, back it up just a little bit and say something. Back
Okay.
it up and say something. Okay.
Is that good or?
Say something one more time for me.
Yep. Hello, can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay.
Yep, that's perfect. I can see the VIN number. All right, I'm gonna call this matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Timothy Williams. This is ticket number P 1322698. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
I'm sorry?
Linda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your name for the record, sir.
Timothy Williams.
Sir, did you submit your registration as well as the proof of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. Your Honor, with that, we'd ask the court to dismiss based on compliance and valid documentation. Will stipulate to probable cause.
And I have seen both of the documents. I do have a clear copy of his Michigan registration that doesn't expire until 2023. And I do see proof of his insurance. So the court is going to dismiss these without prejudice. Thank you, Mr. Williams, for being in compliance and taking your time to be able to show me that. I really do appreciate it.
Thank you. You be blessed.
All right, you too, sir. You have a good day, okay?
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
No problem. All right, I'm gonna try Mr. Westry. We're gonna take a deep breath. Mr. Westry, you ready now?
Yes, I'm ready.
You made a decision. Do you want to move forward with this matter, or do you want to, I haven't called it back on the record yet, but do you want to move forward with this matter, or would you like to have a formal hearing before you? How do you want to move forward?
I don't want to, cause I don't know what that blockage. I don't know what those are. I don't know blockage. I didn't block any traffic or anything.
So the real tickets are 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. And the other ticket is really expired plates.
Expired
But
plates. Yeah.
blockade is just a reason, okay. So let me go back on the record. I'm gonna recall this matter. Recalling the matter of the people versus Devin Westry. I called this matter earlier, and we need to go off the record for a moment. Appearances once again for the record.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Westry.
And Mr. Westry, please state your name for the record.
Davion Westry.
Mr. Westry, and I should have made myself a little bit more clear the last time. So what ended up happening is that, what was worked out is that instead of the 1 to 5 over, which carries a 1 point, I think, that goes on your driver's license, as well as the expired plates. Now, the expired plates may not have any points at all. They don't.
It does
But
not.
sometimes that can go on your driving record. Instead of you having those two things, the court would amend them to blockade. Blockading is non-extractable. It doesn't go on your record, and nor does it carry any points. But if you wanted to, you could plead to the expired place. That doesn't have any points. Now, I don't know if it extracts to your record on the Secretary of State office or not. But I know definitely the speeding ticket would. So it's really those two counts that will be amended to reflect blockading traffic, which is just a way for them. It's just a way for them to do a different plea that one.
Right, okay, now I understand. Oh, okay.
You understand now, Mr. Westry?
Yeah, I understand a little bit now, yep.
Okay, but they do carry fines. All the civil infractions carry fines. They carry it at various amounts. And so these two civil infractions carry the amount of blockading is $175 civil infraction fine, but you won't have any points on your record and it won't abstract to the Secretary of State's office. So typically these won't affect your car insurance, they won't affect your driver's license. That's why they reduce them down to these type of counts.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I understand.
Now, if you need a moment to think about it, I can do what's called a pre-trial. I can have you come back in a couple of weeks after you think about whether or not you want to take it. Or you can decide to have a formal hearing, or you can just take the offer today. It's all up to you.
I'm not trying to pay. Yeah, because I don't want to pay any money because I didn't feel like I didn't do anything,
Okay,
you know.
so if you want to have a formal hearing, you gotta stop talking right now so that I don't hear anything, because there can't be bias, okay? So if you feel like you didn't do it, I can set these for what's called a formal hearing, and one ticket is a bench trial. I'll set that for a bench trial on that date if you would like. Do you want to do that, sir?
Yeah, if yeah, I really don't know, but I can just pay the fine like $350, but I just don't know. I just don't want to because I didn't do it. I didn't do anything. Like I got pulled. I had a broken tail. Like that's the only thing I did. Like that's it. Oh yeah, no registration. Yeah, but I have it now though. Like registration and insurance. I had to save my money up to get it. Like yeah, like I have it now, but like I don't understand that. But I'll just pay the fine. $350. That's crazy.
Okay, you sure, sir?
Yeah, sure. Just to get it over with, yeah.
Okay, yeah. All right, well, it was expired plates. Your plates were expired at that time, sir?
Yeah, my place was expired, yeah.
So that's one of the counts. And the other one says that you were doing 1 to 5 and they clocked you at doing 46 in the 30-mile-per-hour zone. So they didn't even do how fast you were going, did you?
Oh yeah, well, I can't dispute that. I don't know. The ticket's a ticket, yeah.
Okay, here's what we have, sir. This is where we're at then. You already made a factual basis about it. We were on the fine part. Now it's $350. You usually have to pay that in 14 days. Is that gonna be enough time for you to pay that much money?
No, it's not.
Okay, how long do you need, sir?
Oh my God.
30, 60 days?
Oh, 60 days, yeah, that'd be good.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until August the 8th to have that paid, 2022, okay? August 8th, 2022.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay? I can be flexible. I know it's not just a little bit of money, but also I didn't want you taking a plea if you didn't commit any of these things. But you're telling me that your plates were expired and that you may have been speeding. So that's satisfactory to the court.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I know it's not blockading. I know you weren't blockading traffic, but it's a better offer for you. So that's why they give it, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, if there's nothing further, then you owe $350 by August the 8th, 2022, okay?
All right.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Did you
Your
get
Honor.
Ms. Wilson's offer? You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
Okay.
Ms. Wilson's offer is, limited access 60 and a 55. All right, I'm gonna open up a breakout room so you can talk to her. She's gonna talk
Okay.
to you. I know she talked to you already, Ms. Wilson, but she needs to talk to you. She's in room 1. I'm gonna move you to room. Are we all set on that one?
We are, Judge, yes.
Okay, cool. All right. Ms. Wilson, you can unmute yourself and activate your camera.
Okay.
All right. Is it Tawana? Is that your name?
Toyan. Toyan.
Toyana, okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Toyana Wilson. This is ticket number P1249927. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Wilson. Ms. Wilson, please state your name for the record, please.
Toyan Wilson.
Your Honor, as to the two matters before the court, she's going to plead responsible to 60 in a 55 mile zone limited access, which makes it a 0-point offense. And also, they're going to dismiss count 1, will stipulate to probable cause on that matter.
You want to take advantage of that today, Ms. Wilson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis for the civil infraction plea of responsible, okay?
Okay.
All right, on the date of September the 15th of 2021, in the area of Hubble and Finkel Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Wilson was driving a Lexus vehicle and did speed, doing limited access 60 in a 55 mile per hour zone. Satisfied?
Defense is satisfied, Judge. Thank you.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause for the remaining counts to be dismissed?
We are. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of responsible to the amended charge to limited access 60 in a 55 mile per hour zone. And I'm going to dismiss count 1 of the ticket. Ma'am, the fine for this ticket is $125. With civil infractions, you usually have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you, ma'am?
No. May I ask for more time, please?
How much more time do you need?
60.
Okay, we'll have to do no later than August the 8th, 2022, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That does conclude this hearing. You're all set, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Ms. Wilson. Thank you for your patience this afternoon.